So welcome again for DNA number 11. So first the quiz of DNA number 10. A force of 25 root 25 in bracket root 3 plus root 3 I cap plus j cap applied on a body of mass 5 kg placed on a horizontal surface of mu 0.02. You have to find acceleration of block. So there is a body of mass 5 kg. Right? And a force of pull of 25 pull of 25 root 3 I cap plus j cap is applied like this. So if we split this force into components, it means it has a horizontal component px, which is equal to 25 root 3, and vertical component (25) like this, because it's 25 root 3 I cap means along horizontal and 25 j cap means along vertical, and the rest is what? Weight 50 Newton, friction, and one more, normal reaction. So all the component of forces are in front of you now. First of all, we find normal reaction. When we check the vertical part of the forces, we find R plus 25 is equal to 50. So this means R is 25. Then friction F is equal to mu R 0.2 into 25. It's 5 Newton. Then what is the acceleration of block? It's equal to total horizontal force upon mass. What is total horizontal force? 25 root 3 is on the left side and this 5 is on the right side. 25 root 3 minus 5 upon mass 5. So what is your acceleration of the block? 5 root 3 minus 1. So it's very simple. It's very simple now. What do you say? Check it once again. A force F 25 root 3 I cap plus j cap. So split up into component. When you split up into the component, normal reaction change. This question I especially put because the normal reaction change. As the normal reaction change, F change. As F change, acceleration change. What is acceleration? 25 root 3 minus 5. Net force upon mass 5. It's 5 root 3 minus 1 meter per second square. Now let us check who is the topper of this quiz, who is the champion of the champion. And the champion of champion is Rahul. He is the real champion. राहुल उसने किसी एक पहले भी किसी क्विज का राइट आंसर दिया था. राहुल, आई रिमेम्बर राहुल इज अ नाइस गाय. तो जल्दी से उसको आपको उससे भी मिलवाएंगे. और जो हमारा DNA 7 था उसका विनर रह चुके हैं तरुण तरुण मित्तल। तो आज हम आपको तरुण मित्तल से मिलवा रहे हैं। So there is a few pics of Tarun Mittal. You can see it right now. So about the Tarun Mittal, he's a simple guy from Nainital, cool area, Thanda Thanda. And what is the special part about the Tarun Mittal? He took it as a challenge. You will be surprised that he was suffering from COVID-19 in recent days. तो so many medicine ये सब चलता रहा उसका, बट उसने हिम्मत नहीं हारी और हमारे हर डीएनए का उसने रिप्लाई किया। दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस पार्ट कि इतना कुछ हो जाए और फिर भी आप लगे हुए हो। एंड फाइनली ही became the champion of our DNA. So I salute you, Tarun, and the whole team. जो अपनी पूरी की पूरी टीम ये DNA देख रही है. Keep it up, dear. Yes, as you know that the topic of today is impulse. आज का टॉपिक क्या है? Impulse है. Impulse means what? Impulse means before I go ahead, हमारा एक बैच था, उस बैच का क्या नाम है अभी भी IM plus Impulse. Right, nice name ना, IM plus. तो impulse का क्या है? What is impulse? When a force is applied for a short interval of time, it is called impulse. Impulse क्या है? जब कोई फोर्स लगाया आपने थोड़े टाइम के लिए, उसको impulse बोलते हैं, F into T. तो impulse कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हो आप? By integrating force, by multiplying force with time, or by integrating force with time. If force is variable, then integrate force with time. Impulse is equal to what? What is F? Change of momentum. So TT cut. So impulse is equal to what? Delta P. You can find impulse by finding the change of momentum. And impulse also you can find if you have area of F with T, because it's multiplying F and T by finding the area. It's impulse. Or yes, it is this only. Impulse is equal to F into T, impulse is equal to F dt, impulse mv minus mu upon T, T cut. So what is impulse? Delta P. Change of momentum is also impulse, and impulse is what? It's the area of ft graph. It's also impulse. So like that. So now the question is what a variable force produces an impulse. I is equal to t square minus t plus 4 under the action of a variable force. Though it's written already. A variable force produces an impulse of I is equal to t square minus t by t square minus t plus 4. You have to find force applied at t is equal to 3 seconds. It's very easy. You can do it in 2 seconds. Okay, your time starts now. See you tomorrow.